All right, hi everybody. I'm gonna do a little unboxing of this RainMachine 12 zone version. Just got it from Amazon.com and we'll see what it's like. Ooh, that's tight. Oh, comes with a little screwdriver. How about that? Little install guide, drill guide for when you're actually putting it on to the wall. User manual. AC adapter, of course. Screws for screwing it into the wall. And now the actual device itself. And there it is. It's got a protective sheath on it for now, which I'll leave on. A little Wi-Fi dongle at the top, USB ports. Holes for attaching it. All right. Looks good.